When everything you do falls through, you're done working on the old house blues.
Toilet lawn ornament? Because who doesn't like their toilet at the top of mini stairs in my bathroom? Advertise it as a bathroom throne. Best mailbox ever. I mean, you could have rotated the toilet, but whatever. Best way to secure a post ever. Blursed water heater. DIY lighting. The previous owners were very concerned about their baseboard stability. Countertop cabinets? It looks like it's covered in hunting camo. Wait, what was I looking at? But why? Enjoy clean, pure, refreshing drinking water from your own European-made water purification system. No more lifting heavy bottles, no more bottles to dispose. Go to www.danburymanufacturing.com and purchase a Blue Filters reverse osmosis system today.